Guys, good morning. It's me once again with a very interesting video that I'm ready to post on YouTube as soon as this video, well, as soon as the video I have uploaded right now. Let's get into it. ECM. ECM, the acronym for Electronic Countermeasures. ECM has been around since World War II. The basic would be something called window. It was developed by the British. What they did, they took strips of tinfoil as the aircraft were going towards Germany. What they would do, they would let the tinfoil be pushed out of the side of the aircraft and would blind the Germans' early warning sights. This proven to be a major success, and soon after, Air Forces as the U.S. Air Force, the Royal Air Force, the Royal Canadian Air Force, the French Air Force, the Luftwaffe, the Italian Aeronautica, the Soviet Union, had developed ECM of their own. Now, what ECM is to do is to jam the enemy's radar so the enemy cannot see what they've seen. Alright, saying like I do this. I put my hand in front of my camera like this. Then you go blind, right? Well, that's how it works. Once the countermeasures are activated, it jams the enemy's, it jams radar, and it goes all to kingdom come. And basically by the Vietnam War, you had the Douglas EB-66 destroyer, the Republic F-105 Thunder Chief, the McDonnell Douglas EF-4 Phantom II, and several other aircraft, including the U.S. Navy's Prowler, the EA-6A, which was the first electronic countermeasure, which was the first electronic jamming aircraft to jam the enemy's radar. And by the 1970s, that had changed all entirely. And now today, the only thing that one Air Force relies on, stealth. That's right. Stealth, you won't be able to see it until it's too late. But electronic countermeasures are still in use today. The Lockheed Martin F-16C Fighting Falcon, the F-18 Hornet, the EA-18G Growler is just some of the aircraft to carry electronic countermeasures, and others could be used to confuse the enemy's radar so they won't be able to see a large strike force approaching. If you catch my drift. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video, and please, like always, rate, share, comment, subscribe. Until next time, Have a nice day.